Let's look at Chapter 3, Lesson 9 Extension, called Missing Commas. Complete each problem, then show how each order would be filled using the least number of containers. You may use C to represent a crate. So remember that the dot is an individual eraser, so that equals 1. A pack, the line, equals 10. A box equals 100. And a crate is going to equal 1,000. So let's go ahead and get started. I know that 3 goes into 1 0 times. 0 times 3 is 0. Subtract it. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now I can bring down the 4 or I can bring the 1 up and know that I should be dealing with 3 going into 14. 3 goes into 14 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. And then I'm going to subtract and I get 2. Now looking at that, I know that I can bring down the 4 or I can move the 2 up here. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. I can subtract and I get 0. Now I need to go into the last number and I have 3 goes into 3 1 time. 3 times 1 is 3. Subtract it and I get 0. Your answer should be 481. So now what you're going to need to do is go ahead and use this number 481 to represent it. So I have 0 crates, I have 4 boxes, I have 8 packs, and I have 1 individual. Alright, number 2, we're doing 9 times 2, which is 18. Carry the 1. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28. Carry the 2. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 2 is going to be 47. Carry the 4. 9 times nothing, remember nothing's there, is 0. Plus the 4 is 4. So your answer is 4,788. Now you need to represent it. So I need 4 C's, 7 boxes, 8 packs, and 8 individual. Let's move on to number 3. We're multiplying again. So let's do 4 times 5 is 20. Put the 0 down. Carry the 2. 4 times 2 is going to be 8. Plus 2 more is 10. Put the 0 down. Carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. So your answer is 4,500. So you need 4 C's and you have 5 boxes. Okay, let's do number 4. 2 goes into 3 1 time. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract and I get 1. Now I can bring down the 9 or I can bring the 1 up. 2 goes into 19. 9 times. I have 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract and I get 1. Bring the 1 up, so now I have 16. I need to think about how many times 2 goes into 16, which is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract it and I get 0. Now I have just 8. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract and I get 0. Now you need to represent 1,984, so that's 1 crate, 9 boxes, 8 packs, and 4 erasers. I want you to use these strategies that you just learned through 1 through 4 in order to complete numbers 5 and 6 on your own.